Welcome. And from is a Neffos X9, and today I'll show you how to check the IMEI number and serial number of the device. So for the IMEI, we can open up the dialer app and up here. And from here, what you want to do is type *#06 and hash. So once I press it, it will disappear. And you get the IMEI number. Now there's two of them. There's each individual one for each SIM, basically SIM. And because this phone takes two, there's two numbers. So it's one. And from here, let's go into the serial number of the device. So all you need to do is go into the settings and then all the way down into About Phone. And scroll a tiny bit down and you have serial number, and it's one right here. So that's basically where you can find the serial number of the device. So that is how you can check the serial number and the IMEI number of the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.